After 86 days, the state has not reported a single COVID death in the last 24 hours. The last time this happened was on the 30th of March. The COVID graph is on a decline. Jaipur has recorded just about 12 cases and 8 districts have not reported a single case in the past one day. But the Health Department is warning against letting your guard down.
Rajasthan's biggest COVID hospital, the RUHS, with a capacity of 1,200 beds, it was accommodating up to 1,800 patients when COVID was at its peak. Now it's treating only 100 patients.
1800-1700 का फिगर था, वो लिमिटेड ड्रॉप होता होता 104 पर आ गया. आज की आईपीडी का फिगर हमारे पास 104 है और 104 को भी मैं क्लासिफाइड करूं तो 60 पेशेंट अभी भी हमारे पास आईसीयू में हैं, जो कि पोस्ट कोविड के अंदर पोस्ट कोविड कॉम्प्लिकेशन का ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे हैं. सिमिलरली 60 के साथ में 44 पेशेंट अभी भी हमारे पास वार्ड में हैं. और जिस ढंग से ये पेशेंट ड्रॉप हुए हैं वो कंपैरेटिवली एक सुकून और एक उस तरह से जनता के लिए राहत का भी मैसेज है.
During the peak of the second wave, Rajasthan was recording over 10,000 COVID positive cases per day. And the total figure of deaths due to the disease stands at 8,905. But for the first time, no COVID deaths have been reported for 2 days. And there is a sense of relief. At this COVID crematorium, a month ago there were queues to get a buyer. But today not a single pyre can be seen burning.
पिछले 2 महीनों के अंदर कोविड की इतनी बोलियां आती थी, एक एक दिन में 30-30, 40-40, 50-50 बोलियां आती थी और इस समय हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बोलियां.
But while there may be relief, it's time to prepare for the future. RUHS is getting a new wing with 100 beds. Oxygen generation is being increased in the state. And a cause for worry is the first Delta Plus variant detected in the state in Bikaner. A month ago, you could not get a bed at this hospital, Rajasthan's biggest hospital for COVID patients, the RUHS. But today, the OPD is practically empty. And the state government has heaved a sigh of relief. Cases have fallen dramatically below 200. Some districts are such they're not even reporting a single case. And hearteningly, in the past 48 hours, there has not been a single death due to COVID. But experts warn that if the situation is to continue, all COVID appropriate behavior must be followed. In Jaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.